I think it's important for everybody to celebrate Martin Luther King's birthday every year, but it's especially important for the Reston Community Center because we represent all of Reston. We represent the residents as well as the businesses of Reston. And the Martin Luther King Day celebration certainly equates to all of the founding principles of Reston by Bob Simon. It's certainly consistent with that. Open community, a very diverse community. So on Saturday, there were a big event over at the Southgate Community Center where adults and children of all ethnicities, everything got together and did a number of community projects. We did sandwiches for the Emory Rucker shelter, and then there was an environmental cleanup around the area, around the facility itself, trying to be environmentally friendly as we can because all of that was part of Dr. King's legacy as well.
This is the heart of Reston right here. If you come in here sometimes on a Saturday night, the different smells, the different colors, this is a tapestry of what I think Dr. King was talking about. The orchestra has a concert on Saturday. On Sunday, there are the various choirs from the churches in Reston over at the synagogue. And then today, it culminates with our keynote speaker, and this year it's DeRay McKesson. And we have a family-style community lunch.
DeRay McKesson, fantastic person, got involved in the Michael Brown controversy, really brought it to bear and gave it a national spotlight and was really the impetus for the Black Lives Matter movement. And we're certainly happy to have him today.
You know, we're here not just to remember a man, but to remember a set of ideas, a set of beliefs, a vision for what the work looks like that comes next and what the work looks like that we all have to do. When I think about this idea of remembrance, I think about it in the biblical sense. In some ways, this idea of putting things back together again. We want to make sure that there aren't poor people, so we don't have to advocate for poor people because poverty's gone, right? Like, the goal isn't to just increase this advocacy. The goal is to change the game. That people are like, oh, we're talking about it more. There's a conversation about justice happening. And you're like, the conversation is beautiful, but if the conversation doesn't change the outcomes, then that actually isn't a win yet.
I go crazy talking about this place because it is so welcoming. It is the epitome of the dream. We're trying, and it gets hard, but we don't stop. If we only move an inch this year, that's fine. We'll eventually get there. But we have to make sure that the children know, because they will be the ones who will actually see the dream.